Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Checking out this Farberware professional meat masher. This has a limited lifetime warranty. And this is made out of solid nylon, heat resistant up to 450 degrees, pretty cool. So if you need to tenderize your meat in the pan or whatever, smash it up. This is pretty strong, and just feels really solid. I want to say this is maybe out of one piece. Maybe there's a cast there, but anyways, what I like is that even if you have a non-stick pan, that this isn't metal or anything, so it's not gonna mess up your non-stick portion. And this is heat resistant up to 450 degrees. So if you are cooking something, you don't have to worry about this melting into your food, and it's BPA free. Just has a nice, decent size handle too. Feels like it's not going to be slippery or anything. I believe this is dishwasher safe, so when you're done, just throw it in the dishwasher. But it doesn't really have any really small crevices or anything that would be difficult if you were to hand wash it to get the meat out and stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. Anyways, thanks for watching this video, my friends. Hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you next time.